Hello everybody from Istanbul, Turkey, 4-bedroom apartment. The tremendous one, maybe the biggest size 4-bedroom apartment in Istanbul, Turkey, Başakşehir. All of this space is the living room space. When you come to the balcony, you will see a breathtaking view on green area. Let's head up into the closet kitchen. What I like more about this apartment, it has 4 washing rooms, 4 bathrooms. If you want big size apartment with multiple washing rooms, contact me now and I will give you more information about it.